Relaxing espresso coffee in the morning would be very enjoyable. Exceptional stables 12 need curtains for main door weak Wi-Fi signal. Quiet and historical. Historical facilities converted into accommodation meant some modern features were absent. However, the history added to the charm, including walks around the grounds and vineyards. Exceptional. Excellent customer focus. I'm partly disabled and the reception lady did all she could to assist. Regrettably, I have forgotten her name. Also, she booked and arranged my cab. The driver, Colleen, was wonderful also. You folk do good things. Best wishes. Maury. Excellent. Coolangatta is a lovely historic wine estate with lovely rooms and friendly helpful staff. Whilst the options in the restaurant were limited, the food was excellent. Breakfast was also lovely with a fine selection of both cooked and cold options. Nice swimming pool and tennis court and free wine tasting. Breakaway, we had a great weekend. The only negative side was the condition of the golf course. On a positive, the Bigfoot tour was a winner. Lovely night stay. We stayed here for one night and it was very pleasant. We got what we paid for. The staff were lovely and very helpful. And to top it off, we received a complimentary wine tasting at the cellar doors. We'll stay here again, thank you. Good value for money, a couple of km from the beach, in a historic location. Not a luxury option by any means, but a very pleasant location, quiet, with restaurant and pool on site, and a short drive or 30 minutes walk to the beach. Very good. Breakfast should have been included in this price as there is nothing much to the area. Historical vineyard in the heart of the Shoalhaven. A step back in time to early settler history in the stunning Coolangatta Estate. Great wine, comfortable, cozy cottage accommodation and hearty food. A great base to explore this beautiful part of Australia.